Hey mates, what's up? In this video I'm going to show you how to connect via remote desktop from a Windows machine to Ubuntu. Let's begin. Let's make sure that our repository server is up to date by running the command sudo apt update. That will make sure that we are downloading the last packages version. After the repository server is up to date, let's download XRDP. That package will allow us to run a service that emulated remote desktop over our Ubuntu machine. Please run the command sudo apt install xrdp and press yes. XRDP has been downloaded and installed. If you run the command service xrdp status, it will show you if the service is up and running and in which port it's listening. By default it's be port 3389 TCP. As well, you can use the netstart command to see that this port is open and listening. If the service is not running and down, you can force it to run by running the command sudo systemctl enable -- now xrdp. In some cases, Ubuntu firewall is enabled, so we will need to open a rule that allows traffic to establish a connection to our TCP port 3389. So you write sudo ufw allow from any IP address to any IP address, or you can change to your own IP address, port 3389, and the protocol is TCP. But it's not mandatory. For the most of the cases, the firewall is not blocking this port, but sometimes you need to allow it. Let's run the command IP address, and then we can see our IP address on our interface. Then we will open the remote desktop from our Windows machine by running the command mstsc, and we will enter the IP address of our Linux machine Ubuntu and try to connect. Notice that you can do it from your internal network. If you connect from outside of your internal network, you will need to open a NAT rule, because usually most of the networks are behind NAT. However, it's not so recommended because it's a vulnerability issue. Okay, we connect. Let's enter the username and the password, and we inside our Ubuntu machine. You can see it's at the same IP address, the same users, and the same hostname. If you have only one user on the Ubuntu machine, or you already logged in, sometimes it won't work. So you will need to go the Ubuntu machine, log off before you connect a remote desktop. Because if not, it can stuck on black screen or it won't let you connect. That's it basically. Hope you understand. And if you have any question, just write in the comments and I will try to answer as soon as possible. Have a nice day. Consider like the video, and if you want more content similar to this one, subscribe to the channel and have a lovely day. Cheers.